Hi, good afternoon. It's David from Halliwell Jones DEVA. I just want to take a little bit of time this afternoon and go through and talk around our INEOS Grenadier Quartermaster. Okay, so as you can see, the Grenadier Quartermaster is just a little bit bigger than the normal station wagon. So she's about 12 inches longer in wheelbase and about nearly 20 inches longer in body. But what it does do is it makes a 5 foot long bed that's great for loading large objects and also heavy ones. It'll take up to, depending on the engine and weight of the vehicle, can take up to 820 kilos of load. And also still at the same time ensuring that you've got that 3.5 ton towing weight, which means that you can have a 7 ton gross vehicle train weight. Okay, the Quartermaster incorporates the really hard wearing and durable interior that we've come to know from the normal Grenadier. Seating, again, seating for 5 in the back, with nice fixed points in the back as well. Okay, so if you're interested in taking a drive in one of our Quartermasters, please get in contact with us at Halliwell Jones DEVA and we can arrange for you to have a test drive or an extended drive over the next coming days. Please come down to see us and hope you enjoy driving the Quartermaster.